Well, it's true that the kids learn from their parents, and Ivan has always seen us, me and my husband, watering the plants, and every day he will go out, take the pipe and pretend to water the plants because of course there's no water coming out. But yeah, the kids learn through the parents, and we need to be sure of what we are teaching them. So back to the kitchen. If you all have seen my previous vlogs, I had showed you all I had made sabudana khichdi, and I had kept some sabudana separate to make vadas. So here I'm making that. So I've taken 4 small size potatoes, I've added some green chilies and curry patta to it, and then I'll add all the sabudana. You can adjust the seasoning, little bit of salt and sugar. You can skip the sugar if you don't like it, but it gives nice flavor. Also, I'm making the sabudana vadas in ape pans. Now I usually don't find substitutes for deep frying, because you don't do it on daily basis. So sometimes when you're deep frying, I think you should eat proper deep fried. But this is one dish when I made it in the ape pan. There is no difference in taste. Either you deep fry or you make it this way, there is no difference in taste. So when you can avoid the frying and the taste doesn't change, then why not make it in the ape pan? It really comes out good, and especially for beginners or people who are making the vadas for the first time, it's very useful for them, because sometimes if potatoes become excess in the vadas, it has a tendency to grow and break in the oil. So this way, even if your potatoes have become more, it won't break in the ape pan. It comes out really perfect, crisp from outside and soft from inside. So here I've heated up the ape pans. I'm using ghee because it goes best with ghee, but if you want, you can use regular oil as well, whichever oil you use, but I would recommend you all to use ghee. So put ghee in all the cavities, place your vadas and cover it and cook it on medium flame till it gets nice golden brown color on one side. So once it's got color from one side, put a little bit of ghee on top again. So when we turn it, it has a little fat content. Turn it over, you can see it's got really nice color. Turn all the vadas, cover it and cook it for a few minutes again. So here my vadas are ready. You can see they've become nice golden brown, and they had become crisp from outside and really nice from inside. I served it with a little bit of coconut chutney. Usually peanut chutney goes well with this, but I had added enough peanuts in the sabudana vadas, so I served it with coconut chutney. Entering a mall after more than a year. तो हम आज मॉल आए हैं इवान की शॉपिंग करने के लिए। वो भी चलने लगा है, तो उसके लिए शूज़ लेने हैं, तो हमने सोचा थोड़ी शॉपिंग कर लेते हैं। एंड आई एम कमिंग टू अ मॉल आफ्टर मोर देन अ ईयर ऑलमोस्ट। Done some shopping and food also, and yeah, I will show you all. I love this mall, it's really nice. So we went home, changed and got fresh, and then we went to Evita's, my friend's place, for some tea. It was nice for Evu because he had a very big space to play around, and it was a slope, so he was practicing his walking skills on a slope. And that's Vivita. Bought some tea. She has put some nice setup around for us to sit and have tea. This is the same spot where we did a small picnic, a tea party, when I was almost 9 months pregnant. And so yeah, it's nice for Ivan to come and experience the same as well. Lot of mango trees around. From the time we've come to Costa Rica, where we used to stay earlier or where our friends are staying, there are a lot of mango trees. So we have never had a chance to go and buy mangoes because there are enough mangoes around. These are still small and green, but in no time, after a few weeks, they'll ripen up. Of course, they're not exactly like the Indian, especially the Hapus aam, but they are pretty good and sweet. Those are some lemon trees. A lot of lemons come on that as well. And that's the beautiful mountain. That's the same mountain you'll see from my house. There's a little close-up view from here. He's looking. I want to go up, do you? Want to go up? So I'll show you all what all shopping we did. Basically, from the time he's born, we have actually not bought a lot of things because gift, and all you get, and So this is the first time we did full-fledged shopping for him. So this is actually a set of 4. So these were in sets. This was a set of 2 and this was a set of 2. So yeah, I liked it. So then this is one set. A lot of dinosaurs and animals on his clothes, but yeah, I liked it. So this is one. Then this is also a set of 2 night wears, again with dinosaur. I had no intentions of buying all dinosaurs, but I just liked them. Yeah, this is the one. This was husband's choice. Then this is what I like. I think it will look nice on him. So this is one shirt. This is one which we have bought. Yeah, and one shoes, of course. So change of location. So this is another, again I said with dinosaurs, something with dinosaurs. I'm just finding all clothes with dinosaurs, but it was cute. His birthday is coming and I want to actually keep a theme of animals. So yeah, I think this will go well. And we bought these slippers for him, which is a little big for him. We didn't check the size. I think we got the wrong size, but these are very cute. I really love them, and these fit perfect for him. So yeah, on his birthday he will wear this. And of course I will come up with a lot of birthday vlogs because it's his first birthday. So hopefully, yeah. We were trying to make him walk because he's wearing shoes for the first time and was a little confused on what is happening. But yeah, he was trying. That's the best part. Yeah, that's all for his shopping as of now. He would really like your clothes. Yeah. Okay, with that note I will end this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, do hit the like button and do consider subscribing. I will see you with another video. Till then, bye, take care, and thanks for watching.